Hi guys, we got another mail call video coming here. This one's from Mama and Doug. They sent stickers over from some of their stickers and some of the stickers from our overseas family with the #smallenginenation UK chapter. First we got, of course, mixed mowers. And the famous Jackos. Believe it or not, he was probably one of my first big supporters on Instagram. Another Roy's the Boy sticker. We can never have too many of those. Now we have one for the shop. And then, of course, Mama sticker. Let's see if the camera will focus on that. And then Doug's. So we'll get these up on the wall. We'll get these up on this live stream wall up back there. I don't know if y'all can see this. Hold it up there a minute. Thanks, Mama and Doug, for sending me these stickers. I will get these up on the live stream wall. I will post everybody's channels down in the description of this video. So, thanks guys for watching this video, and man, I'm happy to get some more stickers. I love me some stickers. Sticker board is getting too big, so I'm gonna have to get a bigger. It's getting too small, so I'm gonna have to get a bigger one soon. Thanks again, guys, for watching.